Wall art decoration design ideas. Transform your space with our stunning wall art decoration design ideas. Discover a world of creativity and style as we showcase unique and inspiring ways to adorn your walls. Whether you're looking to revamp your living room, bedroom, or office, our curated collection of wall art ideas is sure to spark your imagination. Explore a variety of artistic styles, from modern and minimalistic to bold and eclectic. We'll guide you through the latest trends in wall decor, sharing tips on how to seamlessly integrate these designs into your existing aesthetic. Elevate your space with personalized touches that reflect your personality and passions. From eye-catching paintings and prints to DIY projects that are both budget-friendly and beautiful, our wall art decoration design ideas cater to every taste and preference. Join us on a visual journey that celebrates the power of art in transforming any room into a captivating haven. Unleash your inner artist and let your walls tell a story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design inspiration. Together, let's turn your space into a masterpiece.